Hello everyone, I'm Joel. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how do I make Taro Tangyuan from scratch. Wash and drain 100 grams of black glutinous rice. Peel purple sweet potatoes and taro, then remove sprouts and hard chunks. Cut them into slices. And steam for 30 minutes. Mix 300 grams of steamed taro, 60 grams of steamed purple sweet potato, 60 grams of sugar, and 60 grams of unsalted butter. Blend into a paste. Transfer it to a container. Cool, and then freeze for 2 hours. Form the frozen paste into small balls of about 50 grams each. And freeze again for 2 hours. Freeze until they're hard, which makes them easier to handle later. Put about 150 grams of glutinous rice flour into a bowl and spread it evenly. Dip the frozen taro balls in drinking water and roll them in the bowl to coat them with glutinous rice flour. Dip in water and cold again. Repeat this process 5 to 8 times, depending on your preference. Each tangyuan should weigh about 25 to 30 grams. Cook 100 grams of black glutinous rice in 800 grams of drinking water on low heat for 1 hour with the lid on. Add 30 grams of sugar, stir well, and cook for 5 more minutes. Boil the pot of drinking water and cook the tangyuan on low heat until they float to the surface. Done. Let's quickly review the key points of cooking. Freeze the taro balls until they are hard enough. Dip the whole balls in water before cooling. That's how I make Taro Tangyuan from scratch. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time. Ciao.